Guys, look ito guys, tignan niyo, look.
Good morning, Philippines!
Ang aga-aga ni Tami nagluto ng breakfast. Ito pa rin, masakit yung katawan. Trabaho ako kahapon doon. So, ang aga niyang nagluto ng breakfast. Nagluto ng pancake. Banana, banana pancake. And then ito. So, meron tayong breakfast. Saturday po. I think Saturday ngayon. Hindi ko na alam yung araw talaga dahil sa lockdown. Yun. Hindi ko na alam. It's 7 o'clock na. And, yun. Tulog na nagising siya mga, I think, 3 o'clock. Nagluto. Kaloka yan bored. Kahapon, maganda yung yung temperature. Pero, ngayon daw uulan. Kailangan ko pang i-repair yung yung nabungkal yung nagpa-plow ng snow dito, may nabungkal siya na area na yung may grass. So, kailangan ko siyang i-repair, kailangan ko siyang i-flat and then lagyan ng seeds para liso ng grass para may tumutubo. Kakain lang ako, breakfast. Yung breakfast na niluto ni Tami. It's it, baby. Thank you, Han. Thank you for making the thing. You're in pain now. Huh? Is that muscle pain also from yesterday too, right? I do have a lot. My arm and my legs and my hips. Huh? You don't have that? Hindi na ako magluto kasi siya naman yung nagluluto. May naluto na pala siya. So, maghintay lang kami sa tawag din ng kapatid niya kasi baka siya na yung magpunta doon. Let's go in.
$2,000 later.
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is Sunday. Ito, guys, binalik-balik ko lang ito, guys, kasi kahapon, well, actually, kahapon, I started vlogging, and I decided to stop. I vlogged yesterday morning, and then nag-stop ako dahil sabi ko, ay, mag-relax muna ako today. So, sabi ko, mag-relax muna ako. So, yun, nag-relax ako kagahapon, kasama ko yung asawa ko. And ngayon, ilagay ko tong headband, kasi may gagawin tayo. Pero, itong headband ko is kinain ni Dimples. Alam nyo ba? Dimples, eat my headband. Look, oh. So, she eat my, how do you call that?
Headband.
No, the other one.
Oh, yeah, headphones.
The headphones. So, she ate it. And now this one. So I'm going to take a shower, but before I'm going to take a shower, guys, I plan to do something on my face because this morning, I realized this morning, dito, it's flaky, it's dry hair, so flaky hair, it came back the dryness. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to scrub it with petroleum jelly, but I need to put this headband. Hopefully, it fits on my head now. So, yun lang siya, guys. Sobrang dry. And sabi ko, yung petroleum jelly, nag-work siya sa lips ko dito. So, work siya. Yun yung ginagamit ko, diba? I have a lot of dryness here. I keep applying that petroleum jelly. It works, guys. Look at me. Like, my lips is not cracked and hurt and bleeding and whatever around my mouth. I'm not like Tommy. Tommy is very fragile. Tommy doesn't like oil, guys. Like, he's allergic to kind of oil, like not oil vegetables, oil, not olive oil, not like that. But oil in general, like, you know, oil, you know, like that. He is, motor oil, mineral oil, whatever. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung paano ko siya gawin. Pero, you know, mother lang yung ilagay ko sa kanya, yung vinegar lang. Yun lang yun. Vinegar and then petroleum. I mix it. I'm back, guys. So, ito siya, guys. Ito yung palagi kong ginagamit. As in, ito siya, petroleum jelly CV is pure, pure gel. Kasi ito lang yung nagustuhan ko. Bumili ako ng, what is the brand? Nivea ba yun? Nivea brand na maliit sa lips. Kakaiba siya. Yeah, the other one, the Vaseline that what I got, I don't like it. It's not Nivea, it's Vaseline. This one is Petroleum Jelly CVS Pharmacy Moisturizer to heal dryness. Look. And look how much I used already, look. Look. Matagal ko na itong gustong gawin, guys. Pero, alam nyo naman, email tayo. Nag-email, ganon. Busy sa email. So, ilagay ko lang siya dito. Ito yung coffee cup na gamitin ko. Ilagay ko lang siya dito para maklaro nyo talaga. So, Han, I have to buy more of this, Han. This kind, Han. Because this is the only one works for me. The thing, you know, the lips problem I have, it really helps, Han. Ilagay ko lang. At saka, guys, nag-init ako ng tubig dito, look. Init ng tubig. Kasi, di ba, petroleum jelly, and ano siya, di ba, yung parang very jelly talaga siya. Ilagay ko lang siya dyan. And then, ang ilagay ko is ito siya. Kasi naisip ko to noon. Sabi ko, ang petroleum nag-work sa lips ko. And then, sabi ko, dito, di ba, sobrang dry. Nilalagyan ko ito ng petroleum, di ba, paminsan, masinaw-sinaw, it's shiny here, shiny over here, because I use here. So why not add this one, because this is really good for everything, like skin, your hair, you know, for your hair. So this is Tammy's drink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put no, I'm not gonna put here. I'm just going to put a little bit. Teaspoon yung ko, ipalapit ko nga kayo para makita nyo talaga. Oh, teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon muna. I'm going to kind of mix it here under. Look. This is not gonna break, right? I put this in the hot water. Not boiling, but...
Not unless it's cold already.
This is not cold. Ayun, guys. So, para mag-melt. Kasi ano siya, very sticky kasi. Then, ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, mamaya, guys, pag ready na ito. So, maghintay lang ako, guys. Hintayin ko lang kasi yung yung petroleum at saka yung vinegar. The name of the vinegar that Tammy got is the organic, raw, and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Made from organic apples with the mother. The good thing is organic. It's not like other product. I need this mixing, guys. I need this apple cider and the thing mixed together. The petroleum jelly is kind of like sticky. So, I need this to be melting too with the vinegar. I think okay na. I think napadami yung apple cider. I think napadami yung lagay. So, ito siya, guys. So, ang gagawin ko is kunin ko tong extra apple cider dito. Kunin ko lang siya, i-drop ko. So, kasi meron na siyang apple cider and I think I did too much. That was 1 teaspoon of apple cider, I think it's too much. You just can, Teaspoon. Teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. Look, guys. It's not. Honey. So, nagbi-mix na siya, guys. Look, ito, guys. Tignan niyo, look.
You smell like a salad.
I smell like a salad after. Go to the bathroom and apply this to my face. So anyway, look at my nose. Oh, hindi talaga ninyo makita. Grabe talaga itong dryness dito. This morning ko kasi siya naobserbahan talaga na gumagrabe itong dryness ko. Every morning. Naglalagay naman ako nito, oh. Ito naman yung gamit ko. Maganda kasi din siya sa winter. Itong pants na blue. Blue, guys, blue. And ito siya. So, ang gagawin ko is, oh, it's nice. It's warm. Very vinegary siya, guys. Look, nag-slide siya dahil sa So, initin mo siya, guys, para, dahan-dahan, guys, ha. Huwag mong mo. Don't put it close to your eyes because of the vinegar. You know, this is my first time, I will tell you. Ba't sobrang tingling, guys. Nagtigong tingling. Don't put, not too much. Don't put closer to your eyes. My God. And then, you just leave it for a while. Oh my God, yung vinegar, sa mata ko. Na-feel ko yung vinegar. Oh, wag lang sa mata, guys, please. You know, vinegar, this kind of vinegar, guys, is, nag-try ako din yung vinegar at saka, vinegar at saka, hindi shampoo, conditioner. Imimix mo siya sa buhok. Maganda din talaga siya. May nakita ako din sa YouTube. So, tinatry ko siya. Yung pag-try ko, guys, ang ganda talaga, guys. And then, after this, guys, maligo na ako diretso. Maglagay na rin ako sa... ba't nagpula ka? It's red over here, oh. Meron kung dito ka sa US or kahit saan ka man, hindi ito maganda sa pipe kasi magka-clog talaga. Okay? So, you have to throw it in the garbage, look. I will see you later. Sabihin ko sa inyo pag katapos. Kung mag-dry ba siya mamaya before tayo maligo. So, tapos na akong naligo, guys. I think, nilive ko siya ng 1 hour. So, okay naman siya. And then, sobrang soft ng mukha. Ganun pa rin yung mukha ko, guys. Hindi pa rin naging Liza Soberano. Ambisyopot. Anyway, so ganun. Very smooth lang siya, guys. You know, I think if you keep doing this, and then I think your skin, it won't be like so dry. And I have a lot of, as you can see, look, dark spot. So yun, pero soft naman siya. And then nilagyan ko siya ng moisturizer yun. May kausap. May kausap siya. Look, may kausap siya. Stay there.
Yeah, so what do you put it on the doorstep and they bring it in?
Okay, Dada's outside talking to his friend. Okay. Ulan ng ulan. Tignan niya, oh. Basang-basa talaga, oh. Plano pa naman sana namin na maglakad-lakad kami dun sa kalsada, ganun. And yun, pulang-pula na yung ano, guys, kahoy. Sabi ko kay Tami, Han, can you make tawag nito yung, kasi gumawa siya ng pancake, diba, kahapon ng umaga. And sabi ko, why don't you make more? Sabi pa niya, akala ko ikaw yung gagawa. Akala daw niya ako yung gagawa. Kasi dito, meron pa banana. I-ano ko lang to, isiparit kasi baka masira yung yan. So, gagawin ko na lang itong banana bread. Punta ako sa taas. Continue edit kasi para may video tayo. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung aalis kami mamaya. Hindi naman dyan lang sa kalsada ba. Punta doon. Dito lang sa lugar namin sa kalsada. What is that, Demps? You don't wanna eat it? Oh, honey, you give a lot of dry food, hon. Huh? Yeah, I know, but this is too much dry food, you know. I'll put some back. Okay. I'll put some back. And you have a little bit of snacky, okay? Look, the hubs, guys, the bag, oh. Look at it. Special, oh. Special treats, oh. Oh, Dimples doesn't eat hers. So, look at the bag. That's the bag. What is he eating, Han?
Ham.
A ham? Humbug. You're a humbug. Look, guys. This is what he does. Even he still have some left here. Look, he doesn't want to give his sister. Hi, Dim. Come here, Dim. Eat the leftover of your brother. Here, eat. Go eat. It's okay. It's okay. Dim. It's okay, Dim. You can eat. You can eat, Dim. Look. Si Hubs, guys. Tignan nyo. He's done over here. Look. Turon, guys. Turon. Ito. So, ito siya turon saba with jackfruit. What happened?
This computer won't see this drive.
Turon ni Manoy Tami.
See this drive.
Are you smoking here?
No.
I can smell the thing. Han, that could be that, Han. You're throwing the shit here. I guess that's why. Oh.
No more food for you. You get way too much food.
Yeah, bug.
You keep that on, put you on a diet, and you're gonna be really unhappy.
Come here.
Huh?
Roxy, can you just move away? Roxy, move away.
Come here, Scooch. Come here. Just get in the middle. Come here, in the middle. Come on.
Come back.
Come on. I asked you 4 times what it is.
Turon. Turun di tamuyoy.
Why that?
Turun. He's like opening the refrigerator and he's planning to jump in the couch and the thing again. And he's turning. Little boy, what are you thinking, Bak? Seriously, nakatingin. Ito na siya guys, masarap. Kumain na ako isa. Masarap talaga siya. Mas inamis ko itong saba. Hello guys, may camera daw si Tami. So ngayon, tignan natin kung anong klaseng camera. Kasi andun daw sa sasakyan niya. So ngayon, tignan natin kung anong klaseng camera. Kasi, klaseng camera? May mga camera pa pala siya. Where did you bought it?
Work.
Huh?
I use it for work.
Where did you bought it?
I don't know that either.
Canon. Ito guys. What kind of camera is this? Canon. Maybe...
Just see.
I know, but this is...
Let's see if it works. Let's see if it plugs in.
This is so weird. This is battery?
Yeah.
When did you bought it? Can you tell
I
me?
don't know when I bought it. Not good.
This is not good camera.
No, I didn't say it was good. Yeah, my face is ugly naturally.
No, it's not your face. It's not your face. Huh?
Check it out. Check it out. I don't know. I think that's for other people to do. Now, other equipment like that right now in stockpile, almost 10,000 that we have to hold in case of emergency when I'm going out, and then Louisiana has a
Misty always make noise, son. Kain kami guys. Yeah. It's 6 o'clock na and ang ano kasi na walang magawa sa buhay. So, this is what we do guys. Nothing. We play with the dogs. We talk like crazy. And then suddenly she tickles me. He tickles me. He tickles me like crazy.
I don't do that. I don't do that.
You need haircut. Oh, you need a
Shave,
face thing.
A face thing. I need a new face.
Okay guys, kain lang kami guys kasi yun.
Oh, you got a while to go yet.
How many minutes
I got
is
the
that?
forks and knives right here.
Okay, but I'm gonna need a thing for the chicken. We do plating because Ingrid
Because we
nagakas.
already did the cooking, so no point.
Tomorrow is pork time. Hopefully we get home here tomorrow early. Bored na bored yung asawa ko. Kahit sino lang yung mga tinatawagan. Kaloka. I think we're going to eat here.